Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be going over how you can create a PDF invoice for free using CheckYa. Now, if you're running a business or if you're a freelancer, having a professional invoicing system isn't just about requesting payments, it's also about projecting professionalism, keeping track of your earnings, and increasing the likelihood of getting paid on time. CheckIt doesn't just make the invoicing process seamless, it also adds a layer of credibility to your business. So let's dive in so that you know how you can make invoices with ease. First, we're going to head over to CheckYa.com. I'm going to log in because I already have an account, but if you don't yet have an account, you can click Get Started to create one. And here you can either log in with an email and password if you have one, or continue with Google or continue with Twitch. Today, I'm going to log in with Google. So once we're in CheckYa, we're going to navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Invoices. And once we're there, we're going to go to the button on the top right that says New Invoice. Click on that and you'll be in the invoicing page. Now, if this is the first invoice that you're sending with CheckYa, you'll need to add in a new billing address. So let me show you how to do that. Right beside billing address here, click Select or Add Address and select Add Address in Settings. And here you can input your address. Click Save, and navigate back to the left-hand side and click Invoices. Once we're back here, we're going to go over and click New Invoice again at the top right. And now that we have our billing address added in, we're going to go and select it. Now, similarly, if this is your first invoice with CheckYa, you won't have any customers in here either, so let's go and click Select or Add Customer. And at the bottom, click New Customer. Go ahead and add in your customer details. And this part is optional, but if you'd like to, you can add your customer address as well. Then when you scroll down, you can customize your invoice number. Select your invoice date and your due date, and add in your project name. For this example, let's say it's social media management. And if you scroll down a little more, this is where you can add in your items. Now, before we add in our items, we're going to make sure that our currency is listed properly. One of the unique features of CheckYa is that you get to choose which currency you price yourself in. Mine is automatically set to USD, but for this example, let's go in and change it. Click on the currency here, and you can scroll and select on whichever currency you'd prefer. For this example, let's select Canadian. Now we can go in and add in our items. Make sure to add the item name, as well as the unit cost and the quantity. Now, depending on the nature of your work, it might make more sense to bill hourly, and if that's the case, you can select Switch to Hourly. I'm going to go in and change my hourly rate to $75, and let's say I worked 5 hours. CheckYa also allows you to add your own payment terms, so let's open this up here to see what that looks like. Let's say, please send to bank details below. And then you can list those or anything else that you would want to include in your payment terms. Now that you've got all of your information in there, scroll back to the top and click Preview and Send to see a preview of your invoice. If everything looks good to you, click Close, and then click Save as Draft at the top. Now, alternatively, if you wanted to send your invoice directly to your client via email, you can hit Preview and Send in the top right instead, and it will go straight to their inbox. But for today, let's click Save as Draft now so I can show you how to save it as a PDF. Now we're back in the Invoicing Hub, so you can see your drafted invoice right here. Go ahead and click these three dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots on the right here, and now we're back in the Invoicing Hub, so you can see your drafted invoice right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots on the right here and click Download. And that's it! You've successfully created and sent a professional PDF invoice using CheckYa. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. We'll see you next time!